Welcome to Leah Mia Art. Today we're going to be making art inspiring fulfillment, personal fulfillment. Feeling unfulfilled can come from a variety of reasons. Maybe our actions and goals just don't align with our deeper values, or when we have certain expectations that aren't met, whether that's internal ones or external. We're going to do another art piece later working through those feelings. Or when we put societal standards of success that we don't really feel connected to. Maybe we're comparing ourselves to other people. Or we're doing a lot of repetitive actions without any growth or learning. We can feel stuck. But today we're going to be considering how we can change this for ourselves and in turn impact other people positively. I'm going to be doing this art in watercolor, but you can also do it in colored pencil or marker if you'd prefer. We're going to be making waves, layering just one color. As you paint it, think of your deep values such as honesty, authenticity, your empathy, emotional intelligence, your academic curiosity, respect, confidence, connection, or maybe courage. What speaks most to you? Are your current goals aligning with these values? We're going to be making the second wave, and while we make it, we're going to do it in the same color. And let's ponder if there are areas in our lives we could connect our values and goals more. Let that layer dry. And then using the same color, we're going to make a third wave and overlapping the previous two. And as we paint, let's think about our personal beliefs versus maybe societal standards or comparisons. Are you feeling pressured to believe or follow things such as relationship and family traditions, maybe body and beauty ideals, career achievements, material wealth, gender expectations, or academic achievements? All these things are great as long as they align with your deeper values. We're going to let that layer dry and then make our fourth wave. We're going to ask ourselves if there are things we can change to better align our beliefs and our choices. So kind of going through that previous thought and expanding on it in our thinking. We're going to let that final wave dry, or that final one, the fourth one. And then we're going to make our fifth one, which is really just covering the whole page in one color. We're going to think about where there's growth or learning in our lives. If we're kind of stuck doing the same thing day in and day out, it can just get so boring. And we want to find something new, a new route. Maybe we're taking to work where we're listening to a new radio station or a new podcast, a new hobby you've always been interested in, a new connection to people you only see in passing, even as small as a new meal you've never tried, just changing up your routine. Deep fulfillment comes by authentically aligning our beliefs, goals, and actions, and by sharing it either directly through teaching others or indirectly by them just seeing us being ourselves. On top of this art, I'm going to be writing one of my favorite poems by Danielle Doby.